Introducing the Fafrees FF20 Polar Folding Electric Bicycle, a perfect blend of rugged adventure, daily practicality, and folding convenience. Designed for those who crave more from every ride, the FF20 Polar boasts dual 48V 10.4 Ah batteries, offering a total of 20.8 Ah of capacity. That's up to 160 kilometers of pedal-assisted range, doubling your adventure time and letting you go the distance without worry. Whether you're commuting, camping, or just cruising the coast, this bike is ready for the long haul. Powering this beast is a 500W geared hub motor with 65 Nm of torque, giving you the strength to conquer hills, sand, gravel, and snow without breaking a sweat. With the removable throttle handle, you're in control. Switch seamlessly between full electric, pedal assist, or manual riding, depending on your mood and your mission. Comfort comes standard with 40mm front suspension, wide air cushion tires, and a soft, ergonomic saddle that lets you ride for hours. The Chaoyang 20 by 4.0-inch fat tires grip confidently across any terrain, city streets, forest trails, or beach sand, absorbing bumps and keeping your ride stable and smooth. The large LCD color display gives you total visibility over speed, battery level, distance traveled, and more. With 5 pedal assist levels, walk assist, and cruise control, every detail of the FF20 Polar is designed to elevate your riding experience. Need to stop on a dime? The front and rear mechanical disc brakes with 160mm rotors offer powerful stopping force, while the power-off brake levers ensure maximum safety on both wet and loose surfaces. But that's not all. The FF20 Polar is built for versatility. With modular front and rear racks, you can carry everything from groceries to camping gear or even set it up for parent-child rides. And thanks to its quick folding design, it collapses in seconds to fit in your trunk, your hallway, or your next travel destination. Ride day or night with confidence. The built-in 15W front headlight and 5W rear brake light illuminate your path and alert others to your presence, because safety should never be optional. With its bold performance, extended range, and thoughtful design, the Fafrees FF20 Polar isn't just an e-bike. It's your passport to more miles, more memories, and more freedom on 2 wheels.